Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the delayed auto start flag could not be set. And this is a Windows service pop-up error code 87, the parameter is incorrect. Or again, there's some sort of could not be set error you are seeing on your screen. It should be the same error, just maybe two different parts of the message. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best result should come back a registry editor. Want to go ahead and right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now, before you proceed in this tutorial, I would suggest you create a backup of the registry, so if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create the backup, it is very simple. You just would go ahead and select the File tab and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you are making the backup. Export range should be kept to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer or external media device, and then you would select Save. And then if you ever need to import it back in lieu of, so if you made a mistake and you needed to revert it back, no problem. You just would select File, then Import, and navigate to the file location to import back in that backup. So again, very straightforward. So now we are ready to begin here. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. So go ahead and double click on that. Do the same thing now for the system folder. Locate current control set and go ahead and double click on that. Should be a services folder. Go ahead and double click on that. And now locate whatever service you are having the issue with. So again, whatever that pop-up for the service that corresponds with it, you want to go ahead and navigate to it. So again, it could be any service on here. I'm just going to select a random one. And again, you're going to just select whatever one is permanent for your case. But then on the right side, you're going to locate a start DWORD value. I want to go ahead and double click on that. You want to change it to a 4, so whatever's in the value data field, delete it, type the number 4. Again, that'll be for whatever specific service you're having the issue with. You just might have to scroll through that folder listing. 4, we'll set it to an auto delayed start, so it will start up but when your computer starts, but it will take a little bit of time. So it will start automatically when your computer boots up, but it will be a delayed start. That's what the number 4 symbolizes. So again, type the number 4. Base should be hexadecimal, numerical value here, and then select OK. Once you're done with that, you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.